Today I want to welcome you to my studio, just to show you where I work and show you my environment and share this with you. So just to show you a couple of things where I work and a little bit about the building as well. As you come in through the door, here's the space. So there's lots of table space for students to come and work and be guided through the process. Here are our cups and a lot of pigments. So we've got our pigments, lots of different colors, and brushes and jars. We always need a lot of jars here. Here I have some displayed icons. On the black wall, I really like black background against my icons. So these are my contemporary pieces, very personal. This is set started from this one, which I call Finnish icon because I painted it in Finland, but it was also inspired by Finnish landscape. And it's got another name that is Mustika Christos in Finnish, which means blueberry Christ. And this one came after that. From this inspiration, I replaced bear with apostles with a bear. I wanted to raise, animals and then show that they are equal to us. So I've got a couple of works like this. This one here on the left as well goes even further. It shows bear that is protecting humans. So I didn't want it to be any particular human, just humans in general. And on the tables, against the walls, you can see icons of my students. This one here is my icon as well, of Saint Seraphim, so it goes with the theme of animals. But as you see here, you can see icons of my students and the whole environment with different materials, brushes, different pigments, what we use in the process of painting icons. Some of them are my icons, but most would be my students' icons. This one is something that I painted a while ago. One of my favorite pieces. I also love working with natural surfaces. So this is driftwood. I love working with driftwood as well. And this is a very important piece. It is an icon of Saint Boy, of a horse that was abused during the Olympics in Japan last year. Or was it this year in January?